There are 30 students. There are 30 students in a class. 50 study woodwork, 50 study woodwork, and 30 study metalwork, and 30 study metalwork. 6 study neither of the two subjects. 6 study neither of the two subjects. How many students study woodwork but not metalwork? For the last time, there are 30 students in a class. 15 study woodwork and 13 study metalwork. 6 study neither of the two subjects. How many students study woodwork but not metalwork? Things is required to be in your diagram. So now, using Venn diagram, this is your Venn diagram. So we have metalwork and woodwork. So it means we need 2 circles, one for metalwork and one for woodwork. But is there anything common to both of them? 4 is common. Is there anything common? So how many students study woodwork but not metalwork? The way you are going to find out whether there are some that did both, if you add the number of those that study woodwork with those that study metalwork and neither, what's the total? 15 plus 13. 38. Okay, 28 plus 6. 34. You can see that it's bigger than the number of students in the class. So it means some students combine the two together. So that means our circle will overlap. So one of them will represent the woodwork and one will represent the metalwork. So what combine them together? We are not given in the question. But the neither, what's the meaning of neither? None. So the neither will be outside. 6. Then how many students take woodwork? So we have 15. How many took metalwork? 13. So the one that combines them together, those that did both, we don't know. So we represent it with X. So since we remove X are those people that did both woodwork and metalwork. It means out of these 15, there are still some that combine metalwork. So those ones will be this X. So to get those that did woodwork alone, what are we going to do? We take this X away from this 15. So 15 minus X, then what? 13 minus X. Once you are able to do this, the remaining is very simple. And you know your total student. Total student is what? 30. So it means when you add everything that you have inside this box, the sum must be equal to 30. So let's add this, and this. So 15 minus X plus 13 minus X plus 6 equals to 30. Now, this is a negative X. This is a positive X. So this positive and negative cancel out. So it remains what? 1 negative X. Now let's add this number together. 13 plus, that's what? 34 minus X equals to 30. Now, because this X is a negative X, I can decide to take this X to this side Then this 30 will come to this side. So we have what? 30 minus 30 equals to x. So I believe you all understood how we get positive x. Now 34 minus 30. 4 equals to x. Now that we have gotten the value of x, so x are those combining metal and woodwork together. So what's our question? Our question is, how many students study woodwork? So woodwork only is what? Woodwork is equal to what? 15 minus 4. What's that? 11. So that is that for number 1.